We Filipinos love the perfect blend of flavors of toyo and calamansi. It's the soy sauce and the calamansi blended together that makes the base for a lot of our foods, the marinades for our barbecues, and all that. But today we are making something special. We are making fishtek. So we have our fried pampano, which I am preparing right now. So I will just score my pampano. It's something that we really love. And hindi lang siya pang pampano, no? You can use whatever fish you love fried, but it's very delicious. The simple blend of the soy sauce and the calamansi with lots of onion. So, very important, before frying our fish, we have to season. No? Not too much outside because the soy sauce will be a bit salty, but very important inside the cavity. No? Inside the fish, be sure to season properly, and we have to heat up our oil. Just put that aside. In the meantime, I will prepare my onions. Very simple. Cut into rings. So, para siyang bistek, but we are using fish. And we love this. And whenever we cook this at home, we make it with a lot of sauce. Kasi masarap siya with rice. And the onions, the white onions, what I do, or what we usually do at home, is that part of it we saute, and part of it we serve raw as a garnish. Masarap kasi siya, no? The sweet and the spicy. And I will also prepare our sauce. The sauce is very simple. Usually, we do equal parts of soy sauce and calamansi. Salty and sour at the same time. Mix, mix, mix. Add a bit of sugar to balance. And I'm using around a tablespoon. And water. We're adding water to dilute so it's not too strong. Just add a little bit more water. Good to go. And now I will add my pampano. Then, fry until done. Crisp on the outside, but still moist in the inside. So I really like the flavor of the pampano. It's a bit fatty, but still very neutral. And it's really nice. It's really good if you fry it. And you can also steam it as well. No? Very popular ang steamed pampano sa restaurants ngayon. And I think it's readily available because a lot of people are already farming pampano. But growing up, we would usually have this recipe, but we use talakitok. And we love to add fish to our diets because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Healthy fats, no? So, baliktad, turn around, no? Yan. Our pampano. And if you would like to have other seafood recipes, please comment down below. I know that a lot of people are going the healthy way, so they would prefer to eat seafood, more vegetables. What sort of recipes would you want us to prepare here at the Chef Tatung channel? And we will make it simple for you, such as this recipe. So simple to do, but so flavorful. So if you have fresh meat, if you get to the market and you have the chance to buy fresh fish, you don't have to freeze it right away. What you can do, you can leave it in your chiller for up to 2 days. No? It will stay fresher. You will maintain the fresh texture and very nice texture of the fish. Yan. So ito siya, we're just waiting for our pampano to cook. And we scored the fish para ito siya, makita mo, the scoring will allow the thicker parts of the fish to cook faster, no? And now, let's check again if our fish is done. O, lusot na siya, oh. Once you press it and it goes through, it means that the fish is already cooked. No? And what I will do here, I will put this aside for the moment and continue cooking our sauce. Aside, remove part of the oil. We will just leave enough to saute our onions and garlic. Just a little bit of oil, and we will saute our garlic, our onions. Saute until our onions are translucent. This will add a bit of sweetness to our sauce. Some people like to add a bit of butter here, but I just like it to be very straightforward. So ko yung bida, the flavor of soy sauce, and calamansi. No? And the sweetness is just there to balance everything. Now we add our premix sauce. Very easy to do. Add that there. Let that simmer. An alternative recipe from doing your sweet and sour or your escabeche. Ito, fish stick. Try it. And if you're enjoying this recipe and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to the Chef Tatung YouTube channel where we make everything simple for you. And don't forget to click the bell button to get notified for our new videos. And now it's time to add freshly cracked black pepper. Ang sarap nito. It's really perfect with rice, either hot steaming rice or garlic rice. Bagay na bagay din to sa garlic rice. And now we add back our fish. Pampano. Let it soak up that very delicious Tbsp sauce. Reminds you of Bistek. The key here is really the balance. Not too salty, not too sour. Just in between. Then probably, it depends on the brand of soy sauce you're using. You may want to add a bit of sugar. No? If you're using high-quality soy sauce, you may not have to add sugar because there's already that very nice umami. Pero if you're just using regular, commercial soy sauce, you may need to add a bit of sugar because it's just mainly salty. So nice. Ang bango. And eto na siya. That was so simple, ha? So, I'm sure you can make this at home. You can use fillets if you want. No need to add slurry. No need to dredge your fish in any kind of flour or starch. And eto siya. Add the sauce. If you have leeks, you can garnish with spring onions or leeks as well. And ganito lang. You just serve it this way. Pangbahay, no? Sometimes we miss the very simple recipes, no? Especially if we keep on eating out in restaurants. Everything so special. Everything so fancy. Everything so overly flavored and overly garnished. Eto siya. Simple lang. More raw onions on top. And just spring onions for a bit of color. And there you have it. And here it is. A very simple, delicious, and satisfying recipe for all of you. Lutong bahay at its best. Now healthier, made with fish. Ang ating Fishtek Tagalog. Simpol! Kain tayo! Come on! I'm so sad we ran out of rice. Pero for now, fish muna tayo. And masarap siya with the onions. Yung sauteed onions. Ito may raw onions. And you have to have the sauce. The perfectly balanced Bistek sauce, Tbsp combination. Let's taste. It's a yes for me for this Pampano recipe.